What is up, guys? We are out here. We're out by the Tractor Supply. I'm on the hoverboard skating around. We got the Trap Blazer and the Jag out here. We got them lit up, guys. We got some more buddies out here. Justin's out here. He's got the Stang, and Todd's out here in the Blazer. Oh yeah, he went to Martin's today. They went there to run. He said he did 13s. He got one run in. His number's 308. He got one run in, paid 35 bucks, got in line, didn't even get a second run. There's so many cars there. Justin today, he's back there, the Stang Banger and the Stang Gang. He did the Trump train today. We got that on camera. We got that on the Facebook feed. So that was real cool. Everybody's had a good, eventful day, I think. Everybody seems to be in pretty upbeat, good spirits. Here it is, guys. We got the Stang out here, the Blazer. He got them Trapper purple rims on it. I love it. They're the SS rims. He said muff hugger. Look at this, guys. The number's 308 at Martin's. You say you got one run in, Todd? One run in. So many cars. What's up, guys? We got, is that a Beamer?
Yeah.
Let's check it out. Drive over here. Let's check it out.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, guys?
Good.
You got it wrapped?
It's paint.
Yeah, it's matte paint?
Yeah.
Nice. What kind of Beamer is it, man? Tell me about your car. What's your name?
Kevin?
Kevin?
Yeah.
Yeah, you live here in Nappanee, Kevin?
I live in Goshen.
You live in Goshen? Yeah. Listen, man, my Facebook page and my YouTube is Trap My Ride.
Yeah.
You get on there, follow it, like it, man. You'll be on there.
Alright.
But, yeah, so tell us about your Beamer, man.
It's just a 2006 330i.
330i?
Yeah.
What's it got under the hood?
It's just stock.
Yeah?
Yeah, we just wanted to see what's going on here.
Is it V6 or what?
Yeah, inline 6.
Yeah, you got i6, yeah? That's what the Jag's got. It's got a 3-liter Jag.
Yeah, I was looking at that Jag.
Check it out, guys. You're welcome to, man. Come check it out. I'm gonna go around your Beamer. He's got the matte paint. He's rolling. How old are you, man?
16.
16, man. He got him a Beamer, matte black. He's rolling good.
This one's thick. This one's thick. Imagine rolling up to high speed. I like that. What size are your speakers?
12.
12. 4 12s?
Yep. 4 12s, 5 amps, 2 batteries, 2 capacitors. Well, 3 batteries, 2 capacitors, and a Dayton Audio DSP.
Holy cow.
It's wired up. It's only on like 1 right now. Where it's sitting, and it'll go to 66.
That's insane.
Yeah, it's loud. You can check it out. All the projects that go into this, everything's on the Facebook page and the YouTube channel. So it's Trap My Ride. Looks like the Burger King logo, guys. That's the logo for the page. That's what it looks like. You guys got Facebook?
No.
No?
You can probably hear this thing coming from quite a ways.
Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah,
Our friend has a 115.
Yeah.
You walk out and you can feel it.
Yeah. You guys all live in Goshen area?
No, me and him live in Nappanee.
Yeah. You guys live in Nappanee? Cool.
He goes to our school, so.
Cool, cool. But yeah, if you have Facebook, YouTube, check us out, guys. You're welcome to walk around, check it out. These got a Trailblazer over here with a Corvette LSX in it, and the GT there.
Wait, you vent swapped this?
Yep, check it out, guys. That Trailblazer is awesome. I like to say I'm the Blazer King, but sometimes when I see that thing, I'm not so sure it's true.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I really like the Jag.
Is that yours?
Yeah, they're both mine.
Nice.
Which one you guys like the better?
Jag.
I don't know, but the subs
One for the Jag.
The subs make the.
They're
the
both
subs
really
make
cool. Yeah. Cool. Okay, shut up.
All right, guys, have a good night. Hang out for a little bit. Check it out if you want.
I don't want to go to Warsaw. I'm all the way to Clinton. I'm drive all the way back to Warsaw.
I raced him with the Jag. He beat me. He's faster. I can't beat that car.
Whose Mustang is this?
What year is it? 2001, I think. 2002, something like that. 4.6 liter.
No, Ashley.
We're gonna take another peek at their Beamer while they're here checking us out. There's an Audi over there, guys. Matte black Beamer. 16 years old, man. He's doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. And you know it's nice inside, fellas. What do you say it was, a 2006? Yeah, let's check him out. He's lit up in here, guys. Let's check it out. Yeah, not bad shape at all. It looks good. He got 160 on his dash. He got the auto. Look, he got the big screen in there, guys. You see that? He's rolling good, guys.
That's not good.
Oh, man. Yeah, I checked out your dashboard and stuff, man. 160 on the dash. That's pretty good. That one's got 170.
This one?
Yeah, the Jag. I've only had it like 140. That's fast enough. Yeah, listen to that Blazer, guys. That thing's awesome.
That's the Trailblazer.
Yeah. Yeah, I was checking out the inside of your car. Yeah, it looks good, man. I like your screen up there and everything. What's that?
The toilet paper in the bag.
Oh, yeah. Is that what that was?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Well, hey, you got toilet paper.
I'm gonna go
You know?
decorate some houses.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You boys be careful. Don't get in trouble.
Yeah.
Hopefully decorating houses is all you're up to. That ain't nothing.
Yeah, that's just for your Halloween decorations.
Yeah, there you go. It's that time of year. I almost forgot. Heck yeah. Yeah, this is a nice ride, man. For being 16 years old, you're doing good, man. There they go, guys, in the Beamer.
What did you say your YouTube channel was?
Trap My Ride. Yeah, look at that matte paint. You really see it here in the light now that we're up a little closer. This looks good, man. For real. Yeah, is it blue or black?
Blue.
Yeah?
It's like dark blue.
Nice. All right, you boys have a good night. Stay out of trouble.
Let me start flipping out on YouTube. I don't know what I'm flipping on today's date. Yeah, I remember.
All right, guys, I think that's going to be the clip for the night. All right, guys, if you're here just watching the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you're on Facebook, like, follow, get in the comments, let us know what you think. You know the drill. Keep on track.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.